Very good. Do you know what you need to do tomorrow? Yes. Tell me what are the things you have to do tomorrow onwards? Yes, exam nothing but you have to keep all the things in your pencil box. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, whatever things are necessary, that should be there in your box. And you have to get your pad. Pad is very, very important. Okay. It will be convenient to you to write it properly. And no cheating papers. You should not hold any cheating papers in your pocket or onto the pad. You should not write anything on the pad. Okay. That is crime. And see, I wrote on the board, revise only the important topics and avoid learning new concept at the last minute. See, till now whatever is completed, whatever you know, you concentrate more on that. Okay. If it is very, very, very difficult, don't waste much time for difficult things. If it is easy, you can revise it. Otherwise, you leave it. But concentrate on more things which you know perfectly. In the end, you have to go through which is very difficult to you. Okay. Don't waste much time on difficult concept. And that concept in the sense, question answers or whatever it may be. And second thing, pack your school bag with all the required stationery. You know all these pens, pencils, eraser, okay, hall ticket. Hall ticket also must, okay, ruler. Okay, these all things must be there in your, where? Pencil box. Very good. Keep your complete school uniform, shoes, socks and tie ready. Yes, during the exam time you should wear complete dress code. Okay, already we informed tomorrow you should not wear the sports dress. You have to wear the regular dress with complete uniform. Next, and the boys, you can trim your hair properly. Eat healthy, nutritious food and drink plenty of water. This is very important because during the exam time, if you have a habit of eating outside food, you stop it. Not only exam time, every day you have to eat only homemade food. And that too particularly during the exam time, you should avoid the junk food. You should eat more and more protein-rich food and you have to have plenty of water so that you can grasp the answers easily. Okay. Next, eat. This is complete. Avoid spending time on mobile phones, television or video games. This is very important. We have a habit of seeing always mobiles, right? Unknowingly, you will spend lot of time on mobiles, watching TV, video games. Stop during the exam time. Later also you have to restrict. That means on Sunday I have to see only 1 hour. Okay. On during the holidays I need to see only 1 hour. That is enough time. But not continuously. But exams time completely you have to avoid the watching mobiles. Very good. Next is sleep early and eat healthy food. You are not uncle and aunt, right? You are all small children. So you have to sleep at 9 o'clock and you have to wake up 5 o'clock during the exam time. 5 o'clock, morning 5. Okay. If you wake up at 5, your answers, everything will be in your mind. Otherwise, yes, you will forget. Reach school on time with confidence. You have to reach the school on time with confidence. Yes, today is my English exam. Today is my maths exam. Today is my EVS exam. You should be very confident on your exam. And you have to get up early. You have to read well. You should write well. And you have to show your progress to your mother, father and your teachers. All the best, children. All the best. All the best. All the best. Yes, I will see all excellent performance tomorrow onwards. Okay? Right.